Welcome back to Royal Rides, your go-to channel for everything cars. Today, the Toyota Hilux 2026 is finally here, and it's tougher, smarter, and more powerful than ever. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or need a reliable workhorse, this pickup is built to handle it all. Toyota has packed it with cutting-edge technology, a powerful new hybrid engine, and a bold new design. Stay tuned as we dive into the top features and upgrades of the latest Hilux. The 2026 Hilux gets a muscular new front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted body, making it the most aggressive-looking Hilux yet. The higher ground clearance and reinforced chassis ensure better durability on tough terrains. Plus, Toyota has introduced new alloy wheels and off-road ready skid plates, making this beast ready for any challenge. Toyota is bringing a hybrid revolution to the Hilux. The 2026 model introduces a 2.8L turbo diesel hybrid engine, delivering more power, better torque, and improved fuel efficiency. Plus, a 3.5L V6 petrol variant is expected, giving drivers even more options for performance. Whether you're towing heavy loads or tackling rocky trails, this Hilux has the power to do it all. Step inside, and you'll notice a massive 14-inch infotainment screen, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a premium leather-wrapped cabin. Toyota has also added wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a JBL surround sound system, and advanced climate control, ensuring a luxurious and connected ride. Plus, new ergonomic seats with heating and ventilation make long drives more comfortable than ever. Toyota is taking safety to the next level with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and auto emergency braking. Off-road lovers will enjoy the upgraded 4WD system, multi-terrain response modes, and improved water wading capability, making the Hilux unstoppable on any surface. The 2026 Toyota Hilux is a true beast on and off the road. With its new hybrid powertrain, high-tech features, and rugged design, it's set to dominate the pickup segment. What do you think of the new Hilux? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive car updates.